Hello, good evening. It's another episode of our video again. So tonight I'm gonna make a drink they call a farmer's harvest with the aloe vera, and then I got the coconut rum anyway. So I got the mint, creamed mint, and then the vodka. It's a Finlandia Vodka also, and then got the honey calamansi, and I got the calamansi also from my backyard. This the calamansi leaves also for the garnish from my backyard. So we have calamansi around. So let me start and let me do the things. So first, the shaker, because this is gonna be shaking drinks. So first, it's a coconut rum, about 20. Then the creme de menthe green. It's really good for snowball, anyway, with crushed ice. The creme de menthe. Another 20. And then 30 ml. It's of this Finlandia. And then a 30 ml of the honey calamansi. Here, there you go. Get some ice. Ice of the glass. This is a rock glass. Really rock glass. About a scoop of ice. Not a big scoop, you know what I'm talking about, like small scoop of ice. If you have a scoop in your bar, there's big and there's small scoop. Don't put a big one, right? So a scoop of ice also in the shaker. Put back the ice, gonna be melt. It will melt. I'm shaking. Right. Smells good. Go. And you have to top with the aloe vera. Safety first. Garnish with the calamansi leaves. Calamansi. Here we go. And then straw. Double straw. Cut a little bit because that's like too tall of this glass. This rock glass is short, so well, there's some short straw, but I don't have those, so that's why you have to recreate something. There you go. And this your farmer's harvest. before we end up with this video, actually, please, again, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and my Instagram, also Naked Mixology, and then in my Facebook page, the Naked Mixology. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend.